Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the healing of your inner child. So your inner child is that pure innocent part of yourself, and that inner child can hold your creativity, your playfulness, but it can also hold your wounds that might block you from being your best self and chasing your dreams. So it's very important to heal your inner self so that you can be freed from those negative emotions. And today I want to share some of the things that you can do to heal your inner child. The first thing that I would advise you to do is to forgive yourself and to forgive your parents. You need to understand that the way your parents raised you is because of the way they were raised, or it is because of the information they had at that specific moment. You need to understand that your parents are not superhumans. They are also human beings just like you. So they will make mistakes. They might do things that are not very, how do I put it? They might do things that you don't agree with, but just know that your parents are doing the best that they can, and also they are also trying to survive. So be kind to your parents and learn to forgive them. One tip that I can advise you to do when it comes to trying to forgive your parents is imagine them as young children, maybe a 6-year-old or a 5-year-old, and look at them, look at how innocent they are, and it will be easier for you to forgive, because you know that all of us are trying to survive and all of us are trying to find love. So try to love on your parents and try to forgive them. I am not excusing anything that your parents has done to you. Um, if you feel like your parents have really hurt you, I'm not excusing all of that. I'm just saying that if you can't find it in your heart, try to forgive them, because that will help you to free yourself from those negative emotions that might be holding you back from being your authentic self. Okay, the second thing that I would advise you to do when it comes to healing your inner child is learn to be playful. Start doing things that are fun, things that you really enjoyed when you were a kid, like maybe playing in a swing. If you have kids, this is a great opportunity for you to heal your inner child, because what you can do is you can do things that your kids love, but you can do it with them. So go to places like theme parks and ride those games with your kids and laugh and just disconnect from social media and just be in the moment. Enjoy riding a bicycle, enjoy those things that just make you feel like a kid. Try to be playful and learn from your kids. As you learn to be playful, you will also be healing your inner child, because you're also telling your inner child that, hey, you don't have to be all grown up, you don't have to be responsible, you can just play and just forget about anything that is happening in the world. Just be yourself and just play and just enjoy being a kid. Okay, and the third thing that I would advise you to do is to listen to guided meditation. There's a lot of guided meditation from YouTube. There's even meditation for your inner child that you can listen to while you are asleep, and that will help you to release those negative emotions, and it will help you to just reprogram your mind and say some things that are things that are positive to your inner child. Things like, you are safe now, you are loved, you are worth it, you are beautiful, you deserve to be treated well. All those kind of things. You can find a lot of affirmations from YouTube. I can also link one of the videos that I've listened to in the past in the description below. Another thing that I would advise you to do is you need to do things that light you up. What are things that light you up? Do you like maybe riding a bicycle? Do you like swimming? Do you like drawing? Are you creative? Do you like arts? Just do something that is going to light you up. Do you like dancing? Do you like singing? Whatever that lights you up, especially things that you really loved when you were growing up. Revisit those and try to do them, and they will help you so much when it comes to healing your inner child. The point that I can advise you to do is learn to reparent yourself. So ask yourself, how would you want your parent to react to the situation? So for an example, when you're sad and you want words of encouragement, do that for yourself. Encourage yourself. When you are going through something and you feel like you'd like your parent to hug you, hug yourself. I've learned about hugging myself from my therapist as well, and at first it was really weird, but now I'm used to it. And when I'm feeling sad, sometimes I just hug myself. So learn to hug yourself, say things that are kind to yourself, be compassionate towards yourself, be there for yourself. Tell your inner child that any emotions that they're going through are welcomed, and reassure your inner child that it is safe right now. And in conclusion, I'd like to say that congratulations for starting this journey of inner healing. You just need to know that this is not a an easy thing, and it's a process that requires you to have self-compassion, and it also requires you to be patient and just read more about this topic. There's a lot of podcasts out there, there's a lot of books out there that are going to help you throughout this journey. And just also remember that I'm also rooting for you, and I hope you heal your inner child so that you can be your authentic self. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.